JonnyPink. It's wild being out here at such a low tide. I'm shooting the Z9 again, and I have the 500 PF on it, and the autofocus is really struggling since everything is kind of brown and this light. It's interesting. It's a lot of fun, man. Let me show you a couple of photos. JonnyPink, man, this is a quick break from the Malibu Lagoon. This is now Sepulveda Basin Wildlife Reserve. I just ran into an individual who watches my channel, so thank you. I'm sorry I didn't get your name. I really feel bad about that, but thank you. I appreciate it. To everyone else out there, man, if you see me out here, please say hi. So I left Malibu Lagoon, and I'm out here now at Sepulveda just to see if I can get a couple of things. There's hummingbirds. It's actually warm, not as windy here, not cold like it was at the beach. Let me see if I can get some treasures from here too. Man, every time I'm out, it's just an absolute blast to be out with the camera. Let's go this way. Well, I hope you enjoyed those short treasures from here. The cormorants, I absolutely love their eyes, and I was told that the insides of their mouth are a bright cobalt blue too, and I waited, but I didn't want us to sit there for a half hour, whatever. But I love their eyeballs. The pelicans that we have here, the white ones, are different than the ones that we have right now down at the beach. I guess these guys like this section and those other ones like that section. Why? I don't know. They're all migrating through. And the hummingbirds, of course. I love shooting hummingbirds here. So I'm going to take you guys back to the beach. John, back to you. The wind is so strong it knocked that over. That's really funny. The autofocus. The autofocus is getting confused. There's so much going on. It sees the eye and then it transfers to something else, and it's just getting confused. That's okay. Oh man, still a lot of fun. It's not as much action as I was hoping for. It is Monday after all. I'm going to try Wednesday, and it's supposed to be raining Wednesday, so I'm going to bring the Z9 out in the rain while waiting for the Canon R5 update. That update looks amazing. I can't wait for that. JonnyPink, thank you so much for letting me share with you. I really try to keep all of these short. And if there's a lot of things to shoot, I get excited. So thank you. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps out the algorithm. I'm just trying to entertain you guys and show you some photos that I like, that I think are pretty cool. Hopefully you find them as exciting as I do. Thank you, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, you can share it with somebody or not. Just either way, man, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a fantastic day out there. JonnyPink, I'll see you out there. Malibu Lagoon.